Hi everyone, how to grow spider plant. You can see this is my spider plant and you can see the branches hanging from this plant. Looks so beautiful. Here I show you how many plants I have on this plant growing. Here one, and you can see one is here, one is here, and one on the top. So I will try to cut from here. So I have so many plants. I can separate them or I can plant like that. And still on this plant I have 2-3 more growing. And how I show you how I plant this one. This is my small pot. First I will plant this one in the small pot, and I don't want to separate them. Actually there are 1 2 3 4 5 plants, but I don't want to separate them because they look very nice as a bunch. So I just prepared the potting mix and the soil in this small pot and just make a dip here and have to do nothing much, just plant like that. Just with the small knife, help of the knife, I just fix this one, and then after press and put some rocks, so rocks around the plant so this plant doesn't move much, and this one is done. This water the plant because the soil is very dry. This one is done, and so water after 2-3 days, and this one start growing, and put in the sunny area. Inside you can put outside, or maybe you can keep it inside in the window where the sun coming through. And after 1 month this one start growing bushy, then you can pick up this bag and this from that one and just put this one in the big pot. So that's the way you can make many more plants from the spider plant. So nice, this one looks so nice. Looks so nice. And I put some more water, so after 4-5 days I will check this one how this one is going. So it doesn't need much effort, so this plant is beautiful in the house, providing oxygen. Thanks for watching.